have a personal legal note.
I think the other one asking the question is dumber than Kamala, so she's a dummy.
Sunny Hostin, co-host of The View and a prominent advocate for morality and justice, is embroiled in a scandal that threatens her carefully built public persona. Together with her husband, Dr. Emmanuel Hostin, Sunny is facing a whirlwind of legal and financial troubles that have reportedly led the couple to file for bankruptcy. The accusations include financial misconduct and alleged involvement in a far-reaching Rico case, charges typically linked to organized crime rather than a high-profile couple. This shocking development has left fans, critics, and media outlets reeling as one of television's most vocal moralists confronts allegations that could dismantle her credibility. At the center of the controversy is a Rico lawsuit accusing Dr. Emmanuel Hostin of being a key player in a multi-million-dollar insurance fraud scheme. The lawsuit alleges that Dr. Hostin, along with a network of accomplices, including medical professionals, billing companies, and hospital administrators, engaged in fraudulent activities that defrauded insurers of millions. The allegations range from unnecessary surgeries to falsified medical records and even entirely fabricated procedures. Patients who once trusted Dr. Hostin now claim they were unwitting participants in a scheme driven by profit, not ethical medical care. The claims go deeper, implicating illegal kickbacks in the alleged fraud. Investigators say the scheme involved not only performing unnecessary surgeries but also inflating medical bills and collaborating with others to maintain an illusion of legitimacy. If proven, this level of coordination could elevate the case from malpractice to organized crime. For Dr. Hostin, previously lauded for his expertise, these allegations represent a devastating fall from grace, threatening his career, reputation, and financial stability as he faces potential legal and professional ruin. Sunny Hostin, widely known for her integrity and outspoken views on The View, is now under the spotlight for her connection to the financial missteps. While she hasn't been directly implicated in the Rico allegations, critics argue her close proximity to the scandal raises uncomfortable questions. The irony of the situation is not lost on observers, given her history of speaking out on issues of systemic failures, accountability, and moral responsibility. Her high-profile platform, once a source of influence, now serves as a double-edged sword, amplifying the public's fascination with her family's troubles. The couple's luxurious lifestyle has also come under scrutiny, with allegations of financial impropriety aimed at sustaining their extravagant tastes. Reports suggest that the Hostins lived far beyond their legitimate means, indulging in sprawling estates and designer goods. Allegations have emerged that the couple attempted to hide assets before their bankruptcy filing, including property transfers and the liquidation of high-value items. Investigators are said to be looking into these transactions, with critics speculating that the bankruptcy may be a strategic move to shield their wealth from creditors rather than a necessary response to financial hardship. The bankruptcy itself has been described as a desperate bid to stave off financial collapse. Court filings reportedly reveal liabilities that significantly outweigh the couple's assets, painting a grim picture. While Sunny's salary from The View offers a steady income, it is allegedly insufficient to cover the potential damages from the lawsuits, which could amount to tens of millions. Meanwhile, Dr. Hostin's medical career, once a cornerstone of their financial security, has been severely damaged. His practice is reportedly crumbling under the weight of these allegations, leaving the couple with few options for financial recovery. Public opinion has taken a sharp turn against Sunny. Known for her fierce critiques of societal flaws, Sunny now finds herself on the receiving end of similar judgment. Critics have accused her of hypocrisy, highlighting the disconnect between her public advocacy and her family's alleged misconduct. One viral post captured the sentiment: Sunny Hostin spent years preaching morality, only to face her own scandal. The irony has not been lost on viewers, many of whom now question whether her moral convictions extend to her personal life. Behind the scenes at The View, the fallout has been equally tense. Sources suggest that Sunny's legal troubles have become a distraction for the show, with some co-hosts reportedly distancing themselves. Producers are said to be reassessing her future on the panel, concerned that the controversy could overshadow the show's content. Sunny's uncharacteristic silence on the matter has only fueled speculation. Normally one of the most outspoken voices on the show, Her subdued demeanor in recent episodes has been a stark contrast to her usual fiery presence. Meanwhile, Dr. Hostin has reportedly enlisted a high-profile legal team to combat the allegations. However, insiders suggest his chances of avoiding liability are slim. The scale and complexity of the accusations, coupled with mounting evidence, present significant challenges. Legal experts note that Rico cases are notoriously difficult to defend against, given the broad scope of the charges and the resources dedicated to prosecution. If convicted, Dr. Hostin could face not only financial penalties but also potential prison time. The scandal has sparked broader discussions about privilege, accountability, and the blurred lines between public and private lives. Many see the Hostins case as emblematic of a larger issue: the exploitation of systems by the wealthy and powerful. If proven true, the allegations would reinforce the perception that even those who champion justice are not immune to corruption. Sunny's situation also highlights the pressures of maintaining a public persona in the digital age, where every misstep is magnified and endlessly scrutinized. For fans of The View, the controversy has been polarizing. While some express disappointment in Sunny, others argue she shouldn't be judged for her husband's alleged actions. Supporters contend that Sunny's silence might be a calculated move to protect her family during this ordeal. Critics, however, believe that as a public figure, she has a responsibility to address the allegations, especially given her history of holding others accountable. As the legal battle unfolds, its implications for both Sunny and Emmanuel Hostin remain significant. For Sunny, the stakes go beyond finances and legal concerns. Her credibility and career are at risk. Whether she can recover from this scandal and rebuild her reputation remains uncertain. For Dr. Hostin, the fight is one for his professional standing and personal freedom. A lengthy trial and the looming possibility of conviction cast a shadow over his future. This unfolding drama serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of living beyond one's means and the consequences of ethical lapses. Once celebrated as a power couple, the Hostins now face the daunting challenge of rebuilding their lives in the aftermath of scandal and financial ruin. Whether they can rise from these circumstances depends on the legal outcomes and their ability to take responsibility and move forward with integrity. At the center of the controversy is a Rico lawsuit accusing Dr. Emmanuel Hostin of being a key player in a multi-million-dollar insurance fraud scheme. The lawsuit alleges that Dr. Hostin, along with a network of accomplices, including medical professionals, billing companies, and hospital administrators, engaged in fraudulent activities that defrauded insurers of millions. The allegations range from unnecessary surgeries to falsified medical records and even entirely fabricated procedures. Patients who once trusted Dr. Hostin now claim they were unwitting participants in a scheme driven by profit, not ethical medical care. The claims go deeper, implicating illegal kickbacks in the alleged fraud. Investigators say the scheme involved not only performing unnecessary surgeries but also inflating medical bills and collaborating with others to maintain an illusion of legitimacy. If proven, this level of coordination could elevate the case from malpractice to organized crime. For Dr. Hostin, previously lauded for his expertise, these allegations represent a devastating fall from grace, threatening his career, reputation, and financial stability as he faces potential legal and professional ruin. Sunny Hostin, widely known for her integrity and outspoken views on The View, is now under the spotlight for her connection to the financial missteps.